You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to permanently delete apps and their data from your iCloud account. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. Tap iCloud. Then tap Manage Account Storage or Manage Storage. You will see a list of apps using iCloud storage. Tap on the specific app you want to delete. You will see details like the document size. Tap Delete Data or Delete Documents and Data. A warning will appear stating this will delete all iCloud data for that app from your account and all devices signed into iCloud. Confirm by tapping Delete or Turn Off and Delete. This action is permanent and cannot be undone. The app data is removed from iCloud servers, freeing up storage space. To also remove the app from your device, press and hold its icon on the home screen and select Remove App, then choose Delete App. Remember, deleting data from iCloud does not delete the app from your device, and deleting the app from your device does not automatically delete its iCloud data. You must do both steps separately for a complete removal. For more simple iCloud management tutorials, subscribe to the channel.